Did you know that you can create a full animated kids song video with characters, scenes, music, and motion without knowing how to animate and using mostly free AI tools? I've made thousands of animated videos using both free and paid AI tools, and when I stumbled on this workflow, I couldn't believe how simple it actually was. Most beginners get overwhelmed and stuck before they even start, but this method flips the entire process. In this video, I'm walking you through the exact tools, steps, and shortcuts I use to go from blank screen to a full-blown animated music video in under 30 minutes. Let's get started.
Let's go to the park today to meet some animals on the way. They'll help us learn our colors bright, so sing along with pure delight. Red like a fox who's quick and sly, running through the grass nearby. R-E-D is red, hooray! We saw a fox just yesterday. Yellow like a duck that quacks all day, waddling through the park to play. Y-E-L-L-O-W, let's cheer! The yellow duck is waddling near. Green like a turtle, slow and small, walking by the garden wall. G-R-E-E-N, so neat, that turtle's got 4 tiny feet. Orange like a tiger cub at play, pouncing in the grass all day. O-R-A-N-G-E, that's right, an orange tiger is quite a sight. White like a bunny, soft and shy, peeking out as kids go by. W-H-I-T-E, so bright, that bunny hops with all its might. Pink like a piglet rolling around, snorting, giggling on the ground. P-I-N-K, what fun! A pink pig dancing in the sun.
Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to actually come up with an idea, write a script, and then create a song for our video. I have some ideas I've already come up with. I chose to make a video for a colorful day at the park with some animals. I'm in ChatGPT, and it helped me work on my story idea. So I'm going to create a song teaching kids their colors with animals. So it's all divided up into scenes, as you see. Here is the narration, the image prompt, and everything. So now that I've got all this together, the next thing I'll do is take this information and turn it into a song with music. The second part is actually going to be recording the song. I'm inside Suno. You can see a lot of things that other people have created. What I'll do is go to Create. Here's how you do it. I will not choose instrumental since I want voices to sing my song. So basically, you put your lyrics in here. You can add your style ideas here. There are other options you can change, but usually I don't mess with those. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and get my lyrics. I'll grab this and go back to Suno. Alright, now I've added all my lyrics. Let me add my title. I'll put kids music here, and then click on Create. It's going to create 2 different songs based on what I entered. It's pretty fast. Once it's done, click on the little arrow here to listen to it.
Let's go to the park today to meet some animals on the way. Let's go to the park today.
What I'll do is click right here and download. Choose MP3 audio, click on that, read this, then click on download. Now that my song is downloaded, I'm ready to go to the next step. Alright, now I'm going to create my images. I'm inside Image FX, which is one of my favorite art generators to use. It's completely free. I've already started making a few. Here's an example I just created. So, I'll go back to ChatGPT and grab my next prompt and keep going. Right there, you see my seed number is locked. I'm using 16 by 9. So let's click here and generate. Nice. Now I'll go back and start the next one. Notice, it always makes 4. I'll pick the one that I want to use and download it. Then I'll do the same basic thing for all the images I need for my project. Now that I'm done, it's time to start making my mini videos. So let's go there next. Okay, now I'm in FreePic. I really like this tool a lot. I'll choose AI Suite and go to Video Generator. You'll have several different video generators you can work with in here. Next, I'll drag my image in here. I'm going to use Auto for now. I'll leave it on 5 seconds and click Generate. So while it's working, I'm going to start another one. I'll get rid of the first image and add a new one right there. Again, I'll leave it on Auto for generator type. Click Generate. This one's already finished. Let's watch it. Okay, that's really good. Now I'll go here and download. Let's watch the next one. Isn't that great? I'll download it too. Then just repeat this process over and over for every image you need to convert into a mini video. FreePic does a really good job, and it is also a very good price. If you haven't tried it before, you really should come in here and experiment with it. Alright, now that I've got all my images turned into mini videos, it's time to go on to the next step. Alright, now I'm in Canva, and it's time to put this all together. First, I'll click on Video or YouTube Video, and it'll open up a page like this. I've already added my song here. To do that, basically, I dragged it in like this. My original song is almost 3 minutes long, but for this example, I didn't want to use the whole thing, so I cut it down to about half and faded it out at the end. Okay, next it's time to start adding in my videos. First of all, I'll drag them in like this. There they are. Next, I will start adding them in the correct order to each individual page. I want to make sure that I match the mini video to the correct section of the song. Then I will do this same process over and over until I am through. I'll also add in transitions between each page to make the video flow smoother. Lastly, when I am done, I will download the video so I can share it. First, go to File, to Download, then choose MP4 and click Download. Congratulations! You just watched me make a kids' music video from scratch. Now it's your turn. Watch the video again and follow along, and you should be able to make your own music video in no time. Have fun creating!
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.